Alright guys, we got 3 questions from Edexcel AS1, so we'll try each one of them and see how things go. Right, so the first question is like we need to bring this particular expression to this format, right? So yeah, that's right. So what you have is root 3 minus 1 entire thing squared divided by root 3 plus 1. So the first thing is that I need to get rid of my denominator, so that means I've removed the square root sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand the numerator. We will have minus root 3 squared, that means 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1, right? So then if you simplify this a bit more, it will be 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1, right? Then I need to like simplify this a bit more. So I'm going to multiply root 3 plus 1 by the conjugate of it, which will be root 3 minus 1, right? Then using difference of 2 squares, I can simplify my denominator, which will be 3 minus 1, which is always root 3 squared minus 1 squared. And if I simplify the numerator, you will get 4 root 3 minus 4 minus 2 times root 3 times root 3, which is 6, plus 2 root 3. Then if I simplify this a bit more, you will get 4 plus 2 root 3, which is 6 root 3 minus 10 divided by 2, which will be 3 root 3 minus 5. Alright, cool. Then I should look back at the question, and I need to bring the expression I obtained into that particular format, right? 3 root 3 minus 5, so it's basically a plus b root 3. So I need to bring this particular format, or this particular expression, to this format. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to bring minus 5 to the front and position minus like root 3 root 3 in that appropriate place, right? So then instead of I can like compare the two expressions, and I can write a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 3. I hope that question is clear, so let's move on to the next one, right? Right. Then in the next question we need to solve two simultaneous equations. Yeah, so let's try it. So if I clear this up a bit, just erase this up a bit. Alright, cool. Alright, now if I'm gonna solve this simultaneous equation, what I'm gonna do is yeah, x plus y is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus x squared plus 8x minus 12. Sorry. So what comes into my mind first is that we can subtract x from the first equation. Equation 1, I can like write an expression like x is equal to minus 4 minus y. Then let me call that equation number 3, and I'm gonna plug equation number 3 to equation number 1. So 1 y is equal to minus 4 minus y entirely squared plus 8 minus 4 minus y minus 12. So if you expand this a bit again, you're getting 16 plus 8y plus y squared minus 32 minus 8y minus 12. Then if I simplify this a bit more, you'll be getting minus 16y and 32, 12, 16.